Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have started a tutorial series on PHP programming, as you know, and you are watching my videos, I know. So in this tutorial series on PHP programming, this is the part 6, and in this tutorial I will discuss about the variable scope. I already started this topic in my part 5 of this PHP tutorial series, but it was not completed. So I have discussed about the local and global scope, and the static scope I will going to discuss now. Okay, but before that I want to just tell you that if you like my video, just give a like and subscribe my channel. And if my video is tutorial is helping you in your learning and getting knowledge and you are getting knowledge from my video, just give a like and subscribe my channel. Also you share your with your friends and colleagues so that they can be also learned and also get knowledge. Okay, so if you share your knowledge, you will grow, you can grow your skills, and just I'm contributing my time for your learning, and I have a lot of schedules for my online training sessions, and I am providing training, as I said earlier videos. Also I am providing training on all the web development modules, like complete HTML training, then CSS training, then JavaScript, complete JavaScript course, jQuery course, complete PHP training, and MySQL training, and WordPress complete training. And also I provide training for Photoshop, that is actually used for web development. So this all the trainings and all the modules for web development I providing training last 10 years. And I am also engaging now providing training for many companies and their employees. But after that I also it's my teaching is my, since teaching is my hobby, so I just want to share my knowledge, that is through the YouTube video tutorial. So that's why I am contributing my time and effort for this, so that you can learn this programming language well, and you can grow your skills. Okay, and this is you are getting free completely. But if you want to join my online training session, you can just join my online training session. As I said, all the topic, all the modules, or all the technologies I providing training last 10 years. So if you want to join my online training session, so you can just email me, which are written or which are given in my description section, and also you can directly contact me over the phone number and WhatsApp number. You can contact me, that is on the thumbnails in the phone number, and WhatsApp number is on the thumbnails of each video. And you can email me, as I said, and I'll call you back. You just providing your contact number, you can email me, or you can discuss directly with my phone number, or you can contact me over the WhatsApp number, so that you can discuss with me regarding the process, by which process you can join my online training sessions. And I providing this training on online interactive training sessions, so that on the training you can directly ask some questions, and you can just get the answers and make your doubt clear. Okay, and also I give some assignments for your practices, so that will be very helpful. to grow your skills very quick time. So just if you join my training session, you just comment below my video tutorial, or you can just give a call or WhatsApp or email me. So I will tell you the process of joining, and as soon as the process will be completed, you can just we will just start the session. Okay, in which modules or course you will be interested for joining. Okay, so now coming back to my topic, and I'll discussing I was discussing about the static scope of variable scope. As I just remind you, local scope is variable local scope works only the local, and if you declare it within the function, it will only work with the function. Okay, that is the local scope. And global scope is if you declare the variable outside the function, it will not work directly inside the function, but you can make it workable inside the function using the global keyword. Okay, and in the static variable type, the static variables, once you declared, it will be the value will be fixed inside the variable and it will not lost. Okay, and you can make it inside the functions, and outside the functions also your value will be remain same as you have initialized. Okay, so that is the difference between global and static. When we will discuss about the functions, and we'll show you how a functions works, we'll apply those variables and we'll see how these variables are working. Okay, but concept wise you are clear, right? I have discussed every type of variable scope in detail. I think you are clear about that. Okay, fine. Now I'll move forward for other topic, that is operators. Operators. Okay, now operators, what are the operators in PHP? Okay, so the operators are arithmetic operators, number one, and number two is comparison operators, and number three is logical operators. Okay, and number four that is very much important, that is assignment operators. Okay, these are the mainly and another operators is conditional operators. Okay, okay, so now these are the main operators exist in PHP programming. I'll example for each. For arithmetic operator like plus, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and also there are percentage of that is called modulo operator, division, that is modulo operator, etc. Okay, and what are the comparison operators? Comparison operators is less than, or next is less than equal, greater than equal, not equal, and equal. Okay, this is the equal symbol. Okay, and we can write not equal like another symbol by this one. I'm just making a bracket inside that. Okay, so these are the main comparison operators exist in PHP operators. Okay, and should give another bracket. Okay, so and logical operators are there are mainly three logical operators. One is and, another is or, and third is not. Okay, so and is an operator, or is an operator, and not is the third operator. There are three operators, logical operators. Okay, and there are also their symbols, and I am just writing the symbols also for each. And symbol is this one, double ampersand, or symbol is this two vertical parallel line, and not symbol is this one. Okay, logical operators and assignment operators. Assignment operators are like we have assigned in our program, right? Values that we have assigned in our program. In previous program we have seen that operator. Okay, so what is the assignment operator? Assignment operator is equal to. Okay, and it can be plus equal, it can be minus equal, it can be also slash equal, and star equal. Also it can be percent equal. Okay, we'll explain each when we work on the main programming function with functions. When we discuss with the functions, and we'll work with those assignment operators, which we will discuss about the conditional statements, loops. Inside those I will use this kind of operators. Okay, so we will have every operators we will use in our program next series, in next part, for conditional statements and for other functions when we discuss about the functions. Okay, so conditional operators are operators, assignment operator I have shown condition, and conditional operators are basically okay, so yes, conditional operators is a separate we have to discuss about, because conditional operators actually it is if, else, like this, else, if, else, and other operators too. We will discuss about the conditional operator, conditional statements. We will use the conditional operators there. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session, and just like the video and like this tutorial if this is helping you in your learning, and if you are growing your knowledge by watching my videos, you just give a like and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and colleagues so that they can be improved with their technical skills on PHP programming. Okay, so that's all for my tutorial session, for this tutorial session. And just give a comment below